two ways you can use ChatGPT Pro version for free. The first option is having multiple Gmail accounts. Once you exhaust your daily credit for the first Gmail account, simply log into another Gmail account and continue your activity. Hello everyone, my name is Sophie Tamara. On this channel, I post marketing videos, content creation, AI related videos, financial related topics, trading related topics, and so much more. The second option would be using a promo code. Although this second option is not totally free, you can use the ChatGPT Pro version for as low as $1. I would leave the link in my description box down below where you can get access to the promo code that would help you subscribe ChatGPT Pro version for just $1 only. I forgot to add, you need to use a VPN to get access to the promo code. You could use any VPN of your choice, whether it is paid or free. Just make sure you connect to the USA. Yeah. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you in my next. Bye.